Hello, and welcome to the Insider's Guide to VantagePoint. This tutorial describes the custom trend lines and the opportunity calculator. In this tutorial, you will learn how to draw any number of custom trend lines on a chart, customize the color and width of the custom trend lines, link the line to open, high, low, or close, and use the opportunity calculator to determine the dollar value of a market move. Begin by opening a chart for the market that you want to analyze and then identify the trend on that chart. To draw the line, position your mouse cursor at the desired starting point for the line, click and hold down the left mouse button, and then drag the cursor to the desired ending point, and then release the left mouse button. And you can follow the same series of steps if you would like to draw more than one custom trend line on a single chart. And you can customize the color and line width of the line that you just drew. And to do that, do a single right click on the line to select it. And you can tell it's selected by the series of gray squares that appear down the length of this line. Right-click and then select Properties from the drop-down menu. And this brings up the Chart Properties screen on the Custom Trend Lines tab. Let's review some of the information about this line that can be found on the Chart Properties screen. For example, the selected line is goldenrod with a width of 3. To change the color of the line, click the down arrow to the right of the box labeled Color, and then left-click to select the desired color from the box. Linked to is currently blank, and this means that the line is not linked to open, high, low, or close. I will show you more about linking lines in the next segment. Width, you can also change the width by clicking the down arrow to the right of the box and then selecting the desired new width. The next series of boxes give you important information about the starting and ending points of the line. For example, this line starts on July 23rd of 2008, and the price associated with the starting date is 0.9715. The line ends on August 20th of 2008, and the associated ending price is 0.8705. Click OK to exit the Chart Properties screen and apply the new color and width to the custom trend line. You can also choose to link the line to open, high, low, or close. To do that, click on the line to select it, and then choose Link to Open, High, Low, or Close from the drop-down menu. I will choose Link to Low. Notice that when I link the line, the color changes from the custom color to green, and this green indicates that the line is currently linked. Let's return to the Chart Properties screen and learn some key facts about this line. To do that, select the line, right-click, choose Properties from the drop-down menu. Now you can see that this line is linked to low. And what this means is on the date from, that's the starting date of the line, the price represents the low. And on the date to, the ending date of the line, this price also represents the low for that day. So it goes from the low of the first date to the low of the last day. So you can draw a custom trend line on a chart and then link to open, high, low, or close as a way to very precisely position the line on your chart. And the feature that we'll talk about next, the opportunity calculator, uses the price from and the price to in its calculation. Click OK to exit the Chart Properties screen. And now let's see the opportunity calculator. To view that, again, click on the line to select it, right-click and choose Opportunity Calculator from the drop-down menu. The Opportunity Calculator shows the number of days in the trend, if the market increased or decreased, and by how much, and that would be pips, ticks, or points, and the dollar value associated with the change in pips, ticks, or points, and this value is based on the contract size. In this example, the Australian dollar US dollar calculation is based on a lot size of 100,000. The information that was used by the Opportunity Calculator to calculate the value associated with this move can be found on the corresponding market property screen. To see that information, find the name of the market, in this case Australian dollar, US dollar, on the markets tree, right-click, and then choose Properties from the drop-down menu, and you can see listed the contract size and the associated pip value. Click OK to clear this screen. Remember, you can draw more than one custom trend line on a particular chart, and it is possible to open an opportunity calculator for each of these trend lines. Now, if you want to remove the opportunity calculator, just select the line, right-click, and then click to remove the check mark from the left of Opportunity Calculator. And finally, we can delete this custom trend line. Right-click on the line that is selected, and then choose Delete Custom Trend Line. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please visit the Market Technologies Learning Center for additional tutorials.